two amazing products, first off. And the easy way to think about both the Compass PHEV and the Renegade PHEV is they are the most capable Compass that we've ever produced, Renegade that we've ever produced. So just to my right is the Renegade PHEV, and the Trailhawk version will be clearly the most capable Renegade ever. That's the off-road side. On the on-road side, it's fantastic as well. In pure electric range, 50 kilometers, so for someone that wants to just drive in the city, not long distances, pure electric range of 50 kilometers. In addition to that, from a performance standpoint, both the Compass and the Renegade should have 0 to 100 kilometer times of around 7 seconds, so very strong on-road. And then in the pure electric top speed as well of 130 kilometers per hour. So on-road or off-road, both the Renegade and the Compass PHEVs will be the most capable ever. And so the Renegade is our first offering, and we'll get the first Renegade produced PHEV by the end of the year, followed shortly after that by the Compass PHEV. And then as we move forward into 2020, we'll have further entries into the electrification world, and that most likely will start with an electrified Wrangler, a PHEV Wrangler, in the back half of 2020.